So this is part of this grower's winter garden. Kale is one of the easiest things to grow and is a great thing to grow year-round, but especially throughout the winter in a greenhouse because it tends to do really, really well. This grower planted this kale about 5 months ago, and so in the fall, to prep for his winter garden. And then, as you can see, has been harvesting it all winter long. If you just harvest the bottom leaves and really just a few leaves, a small percentage of the leaves from each plant regularly, then the plant will just continue to grow its stalk, continue to produce new leaves all winter long and into the springtime. And as it's growing, you're always getting new fresh leaves, and so these are actually still really tender, good leaves. It's easy to grow, it's really nutritious. This grower also doesn't have any supplemental lighting, and typically with all plants in the winter time, because of our much shorter day lengths, plant growth will slow down. Kale and some of the other leafy greens will also slow down a little bit, but as you can see with this plant, these plants planted only 5 months ago and as tall as I am, they will continue to grow all winter because you have the warmth in the greenhouse for them and you're continuing to harvest from them.